guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got the highly anticipated September monthly. Today is October 26th. She was about a month behind on these ones because I guess one of the items got messed up. So I'm super excited to get it. And it arrived yesterday, 25th. I did end up canceling my subscription because you guys know, I think I've discovered that I'd rather not purchase it just because, I mean, I love the bow washies, but I don't really like anything else. So that's kind of like puts it in perspective. It's like, okay, I've tried it. Now we're here. I wanted to wait for this one and get this one. Her monthly stayed open for about a week, so that's awesome. So monthly, yeah, I guess monthly subscription. So I'm excited. Let's see. Let me see if I can pull this all out in one fail swoop. Going the wrong way. Oh. All right, I was able to get it out in one thing. All right, so let's go ahead, put this over here. Foiled journaling card. Let's get this out. Oh, it's pen gems. I didn't know that. All right, so this is the foiled journal. It's actually the same size, which I really like. It says "Dare to be dazzling," and it's in that like hollow. I don't know. My lights are probably really washing this out. I'm sure. I'll bring it down some. Is that better? I mean, you guys can't. I mean, I guess you could tell me after the fact. So there you go. And you can see it's kind of, there we go. I feel like my lights weren't doing it. So, oh, we're getting to the washies already. So I'll go ahead and do, this actually has quite a bit. This is the sequined pouch, the shaker pouch, as well as along with the, oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay. All right, well, maybe I won't. So we'll get to the washies. Oh my God, these are so pretty. Her galaxy is like nothing else. Like, look at that. I'm obsessed. You know what I would love to do is do a set of nails using this washi. Or at least using this as like inspiration. I probably could do my nails with it. I mean, would you guys like me to at least attempt, I guess I have to make that lighter now, to do a nail set, because you guys know I can do my nails, with this washi? Let me know if you want me to do that. It would be on my second channel, but, or maybe I'd upload it to both, that way you guys aren't deprived. So yeah, bow washi, moon, galaxy, semi-galaxy, it's like stars and hearts, and then whatever this is, like reach for the stars, I'm sure. Yep. Star, power, magical, girl, stardust. This is so cute. This is literally what I was waiting for. That's it. That's all I wanted. All right. Foiled TN pocket, which is, I think, in here. I'm not gonna open this because you guys know what a TN pocket is. There's been one in every box. I've opened them up before. All right, so now we have a magnet, which is this guy. This is a very pretty one. I feel like this is what got messed up. I feel like this was it. I don't know. I could be wrong. And then we have the pouch, which is a sequin pouch. Okay, I can't get the sequins to move it. Like, parts of it move. I think it's because it's like cold. It's cold here in Georgia. So I think if this were to warm up, I mean, I know I'm being ridiculous right here, but I want to move it. It's like the little things in life. Yeah, I just think it's too stuck right now, but I think, there we go. I can get a little to move. It's all stuck in that corner. Anyway, I got more of it to move. So it's on this side. Does that make sense? So it's on like the front side. I like it. But I love shiny things, so that's probably why. Exclusive Pen Gems pen. Now, I don't like pen gems. I know that's terrible for me to say. They just don't write very well. And I have like 3 or 4 of them. I've heard of people replacing the things, what are they called? The ink, into something else. But this is a pretty pen gem. It fits, except for the yellow that's in there, it fits really well with this. But there's a, oops, sorry, I'm not even in frame. But there's like a weird, I mean, it's obviously just a yellow, but the yellow doesn't fit at all. I would love to have just seen pink, purple, and blue in that, but I don't know if she has that already, so that could be why. I don't know if that's coming. Like, they're just so pretty. I mean, you can buy these types of pens on eBay for like $10. The only thing you're not gonna have is the Pen Gems logo and then the penguin, which, oh, she got rid of the penguin. Okay, goes to show you last time I purchased a pen gem. So I think that logo is a little bit newer. I still had the penguin on here or something on mine. All right, sticker seals, which are these guys. I don't have a use for these or the bows, so they kind of just are collecting, but I think I may try to use them around Christmas time just to like seal my packages, put a bow. Get it? Huh? Okay. Then you have, not this, you have your stickers, which again, you guys know my take on these. I'm not gonna go into it. I tried doing a plan with me. It failed horribly. I will link that plan with me. Someone still says it's up here, over here. If not, then the thing is over there, and I'm sorry. But I failed horribly, but Mandy Dreams, or Mandy Plans, however you guys refer to her, she rocked out with hers. So I think it may be user error, but I think those are just really difficult to use. And then the last but not least are the sticky notes. And I don't know, let's see how it's to write over the foil, because when you put foil through things, you tend to not be able to write. Exactly, yeah, so when you write on these, let's see if I can bring it up here, you don't actually get to write on the foil. Do you see how there's like gaps? Which, I mean, really isn't that bad unless it's like you need that and you're like, oh, let me write a 7, 6, 5. Like, if you get right on there, but what are the chances you're gonna get like really on that? And you're like, okay. So that are, speak more good here. So yeah, these are more for decoration, not really functional unless you like right here or like away from it. But I mean, they're cute. I mean, who actually uses them? I just kind of stick them somewhere. Actually, they're still in the box, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that was the September monthly, and I didn't order the October because I canceled. Even though the washi is beautiful, and like I said, I really like the washi, I just don't like everything else. So this will be my last monthly subscription unless I'm like, oh my God, I need the new one and it's amazing, and then I'll order that individually. But I probably won't, oh, I guess I would have to, because then I have to get charged $10 extra if I cancel it right away. So there's that. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.